So at the Labour Party conference, I told this story about Cathy Murphy, who was a delegate at the 2011 Labour conference in Liverpool, and she fell seriously ill during that conference with a heart problem. She had to have a life-saving operation at Liverpool Broad Green Hospital, and she was able to go back a couple of months later to go back and live in Glasgow. She comes back every 6 months for a checkup to Liverpool. And you know, what really struck me is the nurses and doctors didn't care whether she was Scottish or English. They cared about saving her life and helping her out. And I think that says a lot about the United Kingdom, as well as about our National Health Service. Now, I don't want Cathy to become a foreigner. I don't want young people living in Scotland to feel separated off from the rest of the United Kingdom. Labour's shown how we'll make a difference this year on the cost of living crisis, whether it's abolishing the bedroom tax, capping the cost of credit for payday loans, freezing energy bills. The SNP are in government in Scotland. What are they actually doing on the cost of living crisis? They're not making a difference. In fact, they've sided with the Tories when it comes to Labour's energy price freeze. But they are totally wrong. Because the problem of higher energy bills is a problem in Southampton as well as in Stirling. The problem of payday lenders is a problem in Gloucester as well as in Glasgow. You know, the problems of low pay is a problem in Essex as well as in Edinburgh. It goes across the United Kingdom. These are common problems. And I think we can solve these problems with a common vision and a common future. It is a decision for the people of Scotland, but it's an issue I care passionately about. The nationalists want to give up on social justice within the United Kingdom. I'm not giving up on that. In fact, I'm going to show in 2014 how we're better together, how we can achieve social justice within Scotland and within the United Kingdom.